You know, it's all fun and all to start your weight loss journey and then actually get to the finish line and finishing it and go about your day. But nobody really talks about when you're actually at the finish line. You just had to actually make a slight curve and you would have achieved your goal. But for some reason, something happened and you're straight back at the first place where you started at. And I'm literally at that point, and it took me 2 months to lose a freaking 6 pounds. And it wasn't because I wasn't able to figure out how to do it. It's mostly because my brain was going, you know what? I actually listened to you. I actually was showing up every day. And for some reason, we still didn't achieve our goal. So what's the point in trying again? Instead of just going like, you know what? We did it once, we can do it again. It's the obvious mindset to have when you're restarting again, but it doesn't exempt your brain from still trying to sabotage you. So I'm restarting even though it's in the middle of July, because a few months from now, right now will be in the past. And I would wish I had started right now, because who says you only need to dress cute for the summer? Like, winter is fun. It really isn't, but it could be fun.